Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri ma'am. Let's solve one question for today's video. Which of the following immune system components can function as an opsonine? The options are antibodies, T cell receptors, histamines or interferons. The question is from GATE examination 2018. So let's understand what are these four options to find the answer for the question. So discussing every option individually, first starting with the option A, that is antibodies. Antibodies are the glycoproteins which are synthesized by the B cells. So if antibody combines with antigen, in some cases what happens, that antigen antibody complex, this is a antibody combined with antigen, it may be a bacterial antigen. So this antigen antibody complex can bound to the Fc receptors which are present on the macrophages. This is the receptor present on the macrophage, and to this receptor this antigen antibody complex can bind. Due to this binding, the phagocytosis of the macrophage can get enhanced. It gets enhanced 4,000 folds. If the macrophage itself traps the bacteria, then also it performs the phagocytosis, and in this case also the macrophage performs the phagocytosis. But here the rate of phagocytosis is enhanced 4,000 fold. Now here this antibody is called as a opsonine, and this process of engulfing antigen antibody complex by the macrophages, this is called as a opsonization. The option B is the TCR or T cell receptors. T cell receptors are present on the T cells. T cells are the components of cell mediated immune system. T cells can be T helper cells or it can be a T cytotoxic cells. TCR, which are membrane molecules present on T cells, used for the recognition of antigen. TCR needs help of CD molecules along with them. So on the T cell, there would be TCR and CD molecules. So when there is a T helper cell, it will have TCR and CD4 molecules on the membrane. And when it is a T cytotoxic cell, it will have TCR and CD8 molecules on its membrane. Now, what about the presentation? Here, this TCR cannot recognize antigen by itself. It needs some presentation of antigen to it. So for this presentation, there is a antigen presenting cells. Now these antigen presenting cells are having self MHC molecules. Antigen presenting cells are having self MHC molecules on their surfaces. That can be a MHC class 1, here it is, or it may be a MHC class 2. Now, if antigen is presented on MHC class 2, it is recognized by the CD4 molecule which is present on the T helper cell. Secondly, if the antigen is presented on MHC class 1 molecule, then it is recognized by the CD8 molecule which is present on the T cytotoxic cell. So here this TCR works for the recognition of antigen, and further the immune response of T cell is carried out. Yes, option C is histamines. So these histamines are related to the allergic reaction. Mast cells and IgE type of antibody, these are involved to trigger the allergic reactions. What happens? When allergen is bound to the IgE, when IgE antibody traps the allergen, it comes and binds to the receptors which are present on the mast cell. Now this mast cell carried out degranulation, and from the granules of these mast cell there is a release of histamine takes place. Histamines are the substances which are pharmacologically active substances and which carry out the allergic reactions. Mast cells are present in the skin, in the connective tissues of respiratory tract, genitourinary tract, in a digestive tract. So here, if this reaction occurs, allergen is trapped by IgE, and if that IgE binds to the mast cells, then histamines get released. The last option, option D, is interferon. Interferons are the proteins which are secreted by virally infected cells. These induces antiviral state in neighboring cells. Along with this, it is having various functions. So it induces cell differentiation. Then it functions in various immunoregulatory role. It induces the increase in the expression of class 1 MHC and class 2 MHC. So when there is an increased expression of class 1 MHC on any of the nucleated cell, that leads to the activation of natural killer cell. Secondly, if class 2 MHC expression is increased, then it will activate the T helper cells. So in this way, also in case of class 1 MHC, natural killer cell will get activated, as well as T cytotoxic cells will also get activated. So here these interferons are involved in the activation of T cell lineages. So with this discussion, we can say that option A, antibodies, must be the correct answer for the question. Antibodies can act as a opsonine. So here we have concluded with today's video. I request you to please like, share and subscribe for my channel, and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.